Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we'll be making an easy, tasty, popular akara. Akara. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so these are the three basic ingredients I'll be using in this recipe. Here I have chopped onions, some salt to taste, some Scotch bonnet pepper, and one red bell pepper, and beans. Okay, let's go into grinding proper. I whisked this bean batter for 10 minutes, and see how it looks like. It's very creamy and smooth, very smooth. And this is, so here is the oil we'll be using for the frying. Okay, so it's time to heat it up, and we'll be heating it on a medium heat. So this is the mixture of akara. Okay, just the bean batter, some salt to taste, some onions, and Scotch bonnet pepper, and one red bell pepper. Okay, this is the basic ingredient I will be using for this. So it's time for the frying proper. We'll just skip some. Guys, can you see that? Can you see the butter is actually on top of the oil? This is because of the wicks, the nice wicks we gave it. We did actually. So when you whisk your akara very well, your akara will not soak oil, and it will float on the oil. Can you see? Wow, this akara the butter looks really amazing. Looks amazing. Oh, very smooth and creamy. Oh, it's so nice. So that is it. And this it will make the akara. It will make it fluffy. Okay, and the inside will be fluffy and soft. Yes. So I'll be frying this for about 1 to 2 minutes and flip it over. Okay, so it's time to flip the akara. No. Yeah. Why? So guys, sorry I didn't show you how I got my beans ground. I actually ground it with a heavy duty machine. So I don't have a very strong blender. So my blender, let's just finish this one first. Okay, it's not ready. So it's time for the second round. We have to be fast, so don't waste time while cooking the butter inside the oil, so they'll fry evenly. I actually use a small frying pot. So this is what I have been using for some time now. I'm just using this. Okay, it is economical because oil is very expensive now in Nigeria. It's very expensive, so I'm using a smaller frying pot. So this one is ready. I like my akara golden. Okay, I like when the color is golden. Then we quickly Brush and scoop more. See, I'm loving this akara. So let me just quickly show you how the akara look. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. This akara, it tastes really good. So it's time to flip the my baby's crying. Ah. Let me show you how this akara look again. Let me just show you how it look. How all of them, okay? See, this akara looks like cake. Can you see? Are you seeing what I'm saying? Just try this, okay? It's very easy to make and sweet. You won't regret it, okay? This is the last batch. There's something I noticed in this akara. The outside looks crunchy and the inside looks fluffy. And it tastes really, really nice. So I'll be happy if you give this a try. You won't regret it. It will come out really, really good. Please, if you have a blender, you can actually blend your beans at home. My own is not strong in my blender here. Services, 280 watts is very low, so I didn't use it because of that singular reason. Sorry, I'm done with the akara. The akara is looking nice, beautiful, sweet, easy. It is amazing, okay? Just give it a try, okay? You won't regret it, okay?